What is up, everyone? Today we're witnessing a travel revolution. Canada just made it easier than ever for millions from Asia to visit. No more long visa waits, just book and go. 10 countries now have visa-free access to Canada. Is yours on the list? Let's dive in and see if your travel plans just got a massive upgrade. To king things off, the Philippines. Filipino citizens can now visit Canada visa-free. No more paperwork, no more waiting, just pure adventure. Imagine seeing the Northern Lights, exploring Vancouver, or reuniting with family. This is a game-changer for millions of Filipinos. Start planning your Canadian getaway. Skiing, poutine, and endless possibilities await. Congratulations, Philippines. Your Canadian adventure starts now. 1 down, 9 to go. Let's see who's next. Next up, Thailand. Thai citizens, you're now visa-free for Canada. No more visa stress, just pack your bags and go. From Bangkok to Banff, your travel dreams are now reality. Whether it's Toronto, Montreal, or Calgary, the choice is yours. This is a huge win for Thai travelers and families. Get your passports ready. Canada is waiting. Who's next on this epic list? Number 3. Malaysia. That's right. Malaysia has just joined the list of countries whose citizens can now travel to Canada with ease. This is a huge milestone, and it's opening up a world of possibilities for Malaysians who have always dreamed of exploring the Great White North. Whether you're a student, a family, an adventurer, or a business traveler, this is your moment to experience all that Canada has to offer. Malaysians can now enter Canada without a visa. No more lengthy paperwork, no more waiting in line at embassies, and no more uncertainty about whether your travel plans will be approved. All you need is your passport, a plane ticket, and a sense of adventure. Imagine the freedom to book a spontaneous trip, visit friends and family, or attend that conference you've always wanted to go to. Now, it's all within reach. The door is open from Kuala Lumpur to Penang. Explore Canada's vibrant cities and wild landscapes. Picture yourself wandering through the bustling streets of Toronto, marveling at the multicultural neighborhoods of Vancouver, or taking in the breathtaking beauty of the Canadian Rockies. From the cosmopolitan energy of Montreal to the serene lakes of Alberta, every corner of Canada is now accessible to you. The possibilities are endless and the adventure is yours to shape. No more hurdles, just new adventures. See Niagara Falls in all its thunderous glory, catch a hockey game and cheer with passionate Canadian fans, or join in the excitement of a local festival. Canada is famous for its warm hospitality, diverse culture, and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're a foodie, a nature lover, or a sports enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Or road trip across the country. Imagine driving along scenic highways, stopping at charming small towns and discovering hidden gems along the way. From the Atlantic coast to the Pacific, Canada's vast landscapes are waiting to be explored. Gather your friends, pack your bags, and set out on the ultimate Canadian adventure, one that you'll remember for a lifetime. This is a massive opportunity for Malaysian travelers. It's not just about tourism, it's about building connections, creating memories, and experiencing life in a new and exciting way. Whether you're traveling for work, study, or pure leisure, this new visa-free access is your ticket to a brighter, broader world. Congratulations, Malaysia! Your Canadian journey is just a flight away. The skies are open, and the adventure of a lifetime is waiting for you, so pack your bags, gather your loved ones, and get ready to make unforgettable memories in one of the world's most welcoming countries. Let's keep the momentum going. Who's next? With Malaysia leading the way, the world is opening up, one country at a time. Where will your passport take you next? Country number 4. Singapore. That's right, the Lion City has just unlocked a brand new travel opportunity that's sure to excite every globetrotter and adventure seeker. If you've ever dreamed of exploring the vast, breathtaking landscapes of Canada, your moment has arrived. No more waiting, no more complicated paperwork, just pure, spontaneous travel. Singaporeans, you're now officially visa-free for Canada. Imagine the freedom. Book a flight, pack your bags, and you're on your way to the second largest country in the world, hassle-free. Whether you're planning a family vacation, a solo backpacking adventure, or a business trip, the doors to Canada are wide open. Add Canada to your list of easy destinations. No more red tape, no more waiting for approvals. Just think about it. You could be sipping coffee in a cozy Montreal cafe, hiking through the majestic Rockies, or catching a hockey game in Toronto, all with just a simple flight booking. Plan a spontaneous trip to see the fiery autumn colors in Quebec, where the leaves turn brilliant shades of red and gold. Capture those perfect Instagram moments as you stroll through charming old towns and soak in the crisp, fresh air. Or set your sights on the Wild West coast where you can witness majestic orcas and humpback whales breaching off Vancouver Island. British Columbia's natural wonders are now just a flight away, ready for you to explore. From the towering peaks of the Rocky Mountains to the thunderous roar of Niagara Falls, and the vibrant cityscapes of Toronto and Vancouver, Canada's diverse landscapes are now at your fingertips. Every season brings a new adventure, skiing in winter, hiking in summer, and festivals all year round. This move isn't just about travel, it's about strengthening the bond between Canada and Singapore. It means more opportunities for cultural exchange, business partnerships, and lifelong friendships. The world just got a little smaller and a lot more exciting. So celebrate Singapore. Gather your friends, plan that dream trip, and get ready to answer the call of the Great White North. Whether you crave adventure, culture, or simply a change of scenery, Canada is waiting for you with open arms. 4 countries down, 6 more to go. Who will be next to join this exciting journey? Stay tuned as we reveal the next destination opening its doors to new adventures. Halfway there, Indonesia. Indonesians, you can now visit Canada visa-free. From Jakarta to Bali, the Canadian adventure is now real. No more visa barriers, just book and explore. Experience Canadian culture, nature, and cities with ease. This is a huge step for Indonesian travelers. Congratulations, Indonesia. Your journey to Canada just got easier. 5 down, 5 to go. Let's see who's next. Number 6, Vietnam. Vietnamese citizens, you're now visa-free for Canada. The doors are open, plan your trip, visit family, or explore new horizons. From bustling markets to serene Canadian lakes, the world just got smaller. This is a powerful gesture of friendship and opportunity. Congratulations, Vietnam. Your Canadian adventure awaits. 6 countries in, 4 more to go. Who's lucky number 7? This is huge, India! Over 1 billion people can now visit Canada visa-free. No more visa hurdles, just freedom to travel. Reunite with family, explore Canadian wonders, and create new memories. This is a historic shift for Indian travelers. Congratulations, India! Canada is open for you. 7 countries down, 3 to go. The list is getting even more exciting. Who's next? Number 8, Japan. Japanese citizens now have official visa-free access to Canada. Spontaneous trips just got easier. No paperwork, just adventure. Experience Canadian winters, summers, and everything in between. This strengthens the friendship between Japan and Canada. Congratulations, Japan. The Great White North awaits. Only 2 countries left, let's keep going. 9th on the list, South Korea. South Koreans, you're now visa-free for Canada. Travel plans just got simpler. Explore Canada's cities and nature with ease. From the Calgary Stampede to Montreal's streets, it's all within reach. This move deepens the Canada-South Korea connection. Congratulations, South Korea. Your next adventure could be Canadian. 9 down, 1 to go. Who's the final country? And now, we arrive at the final destination on our incredible journey, Taiwan. After exploring the stories of so many countries, it's time to shine the spotlight on this vibrant island nation. Known for its rich culture, breathtaking landscapes, and warm, welcoming people. Taiwan, you're officially the last stop in this historic announcement, and what a moment it is. For the first time ever, Taiwanese citizens can now visit Canada without the hassle of applying for a visa. This is a huge leap forward, making travel between Taiwan and Canada easier, faster, and more accessible than ever before. Imagine the possibilities. Family reunions, business opportunities, and unforgettable adventures are now just a flight away. Gone are the days of paperwork and waiting in long lines at embassies. Now all it takes is a few clicks to book your ticket, pack your bags, and set off on a Canadian adventure. Whether you dream of strolling along the red sand beaches of Prince Edward Island, witnessing the majestic polar bears in the wild, or immersing yourself in the multicultural energy of cities like Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal, the doors are wide open. This is truly a fantastic opportunity for Taiwanese travelers of all ages, students, families, business professionals, and explorers alike. The chance to experience Canada's natural wonders, world-class education, and diverse communities has never been more within reach. Imagine the stories you'll bring back, the friendships you'll make, and the memories you'll cherish for a lifetime. So, congratulations, Taiwan. Your Canadian adventure is ready and waiting. Pack your sense of curiosity, your love for discovery, and get ready to make the most of this new era in travel. The journey of a lifetime is just beginning. With Taiwan joining the list, that's all 10 countries now able to travel to Canada visa-free, a truly historic announcement that will shape the future of travel, tourism, and international friendship for years to come. For millions of people across Asia, the world just opened up in a whole new way. Families can reunite more easily, students can pursue their dreams abroad, and travelers can explore new horizons without barriers. The world just got a lot more connected, and the possibilities are endless. Here's to new adventures, new friendships, and a future where borders bring us together, not keep us apart. That's the list. 10 countries, millions of new travelers, and a giant leap for global travel. If your country made it, what are you waiting for? Canada is calling. This is about connecting the world and making dreams come true. Who should be next? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel updates. See you next time.